Whether you just rolled out of bed, feeling stiff, or want to set a calm, energized tone for the day, this flow is exactly what you need. Today, we're dedicating 5 minutes to a full body stretch routine designed to wake up your core, your spine, and side body. No equipment is needed, just your mat and some space to move. This routine combines gentle movements to stretch your spine, activate your core, and open your side body for a total body reset. We'll begin with a classic cat-cow stretch, fire up your stability with bird dog, and finish with some grounding side stretches. Most people skip these moments of self-care, but not you. You've shown up, and that's already a win worth celebrating. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel aligned, centered, and ready to tackle the day. Let's get moving and let's hit the mat. Let's start with cat-cow, the ultimate way to gently wake up your spine and kick off your morning with fluidity and focus. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tilt your tailbone upward. Cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine. Cat pose. Continue moving slowly between cat and cow for 1 minute, syncing the movement with your breath. This stretch warms up your spine, relieves tension, and connects your movements to your breath. By the end, I promise, you'll feel looser and more centered. Beginners, focus on smaller movements if your spine feels stiff. Advanced stretches deepen the arch and curve in your back for a more intense stretch. Now that your spine is warmed up, let's fire up your core and improve your stability with bird dog. Bird dog is all about stability and strength, combining balance with a gentle stretch for your core, spine, and shoulders. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, keeping your hips level. Engage your core and hold for a few seconds. Then bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Repeat this flow on the right side for 30 seconds. Then switch the left arm and right leg for another 30 seconds. This stretch activates your core, improves balance, and strengthens your back and shoulders. By the end, you'll feel strong, steady, and energized. Beginners, skip the elbow to knee movement and hold the extended position. Advanced stretches add a pulse at the top of the extended position for extra activation. Now that your core is activated, let's flow into a grounding side stretch to lengthen your body and open your hips. Kneeling side angle stretch is a perfect move to release tension in your side body while grounding and centering your energy. Kneel on the mat and step your right foot out to the side, keeping it aligned with your right knee. Rest your left forearm on your left thigh and reach overhead, reaching toward the right side. Stop making gentle circles with your arm for 1 minute, breathing deeply into the stretch. This stretch lengthens your side body, opens your hips, and promotes spinal flexibility. By the end, I promise you'll feel elongated and more relaxed. Beginners, keep your hand resting on your thigh for support. Advanced stretches, reach your bottom hand to the floor for a deeper stretch. Now let's balance things out by switching to the right side. Let's balance your body by repeating this deep, energizing side stretch on the right side. Kneel on the mat and step your right foot out to the side, keeping your left knee grounded. Rest your right forearm on your right thigh. Extend overhead and lean toward the left side. Swing your arm gently for 1 minute, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Stretching both sides evenly helps prevent imbalances while promoting flexibility and ease in your entire body. By the end, you'll feel centered, refreshed, and fully ready for the day. Make the same adjustments as the left side and customize based on your flexibility and comfort level. If you sit at a desk all day, you're always tired, feel like you're stiff, I've got the perfect thing for you. Go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's going to help you get rid of stiffness, give you more energy, and help you increase your daily movement. You're gonna want to check it out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.